Hello students, most of the time students find difficulty in understanding the sign convention while solving numericals of length formula. Now actually sign convention is very easy. The sign convention is very similar to the sign convention of mirror formula. Okay, so instead of 1 by v plus 1 by u, we have 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Remember that while solving the numericals of length formula, do not put sign to the value that you want to find out. This means unknown values that you want to find out. Do not put any sign, but put the sign for all the values which are known. For example, if you know the value of u and v, then you can of course put the sign convention. And as far as focal length is concerned, always remember focal length is positive for convex lens and focal length is negative for concave lens. So these are the basic things that we have to understand. Magnification is height of image by height of object or v by u. Again, it is possible that magnification is negative. So if magnification is negative, you are getting negative value. This means the image is real and inverted. Real and inverted. And if you get positive, this means if the magnification is positive, of course it is virtual and upright. So this is the basic understanding of while solving the numericals of lens formula, we should be careful with. Remember, focal length of convex lens will be positive because convex lens is going to converge the ray of light. So in that case, the focal length is positive behind the lens. And focal length is of course negative when it is in case of concave lens, because the focal length will be on the front side of the or opposite side of the direction in which ray of light is traveling. For example, this is our lens and this is the axis, principal axis. So in this case, remember, if these are the ray of light that incident on this lens. So in that case, always remember all the calculations in the direction opposite to the ray of light will be taken as negative, and all the directions in all the values which are in the direction of the ray of light will be taken as positive. So for example, if you keep an object in front of the lens, so the object distance u will be negative, because it is against the direction of the light, because all the calculations are done from the optical center of the lens, or it is always measured from the optical center of the lens. So that is why if you remember these basic things, then you can easily solve numericals on lens formula. Just as I said, there are only two formulas. One is 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, and magnification formula. And just remember, f is positive for convex and f is negative for concave, and for all other sign conventions you consider the direction of the ray in which it is going, and if you take the directions opposite to the direction of the ray in which light is going, all the elements will be taken as negative. U is negative against the or in front of the lens or against the direction of the incident light. Similarly, if your v is present in front, then in that case v will also be negative because it is against the direction of the light, or you are moving in front of the lens. So anyway, so this is the sign convention we are going to use, and always remember, very important point, don't put sign or don't assign sign to the value that you want to find out. Suppose you are asked to find out the object distance. So don't put any sign to the object distance even if you know where it is going to form. Do not put the sign. Okay, automatically you will find that when you solve it with proper sign convention, you will find out the actual value of the u, whether it is positive or negative. So do not put or do not assign any sign to the unknown. Otherwise you can put sign to all the other values following proper sign convention, which is used in mirrors as well. So the idea behind solving the numericals otherwise remain same. Thank you.